other already. I sent it to my other. Oh, so say hello to your dad and your mom from me. Thank you for watching. So I hope I hope your family can support my channel. Ayan. So don't forget, Sakari, to share my live stream right now. So you are very welcome to Philippines. Ayan, I hope you can see you here in Philippines. So okay, okay. So your connection is slow. So try to. Oh, you are outside. Why? Why you are outside in your home? So I'm going to make another picture, big picture. Ayan, two picture side by side, so that it is uh, a very clear and colored picture. So yan. So I will show you my old picture, my old picture with the same face like you. Yan. So I will print also. So yan. So here this live is very quick live because I'm going to prepare our clothes because I wash my clothes with my family since yesterday last night, and then I continue this morning. Which side of Philippines are you in? So in here in Mindanao, because Mindanao is composed of 7,000 islands, and I'm here in Mindanao. So big islands here in Mindanao and Philippines composed with three big islands. So imagine that I am here in the Mindanao. Ayan, Mindanao, Misamis Occidental. Okay. So thank you very much ha. Thank you for coming my channel. Thank you for your support since yesterday. So I'm so happy that you are part of this channel. Yan. You are in the party. So what time is it there? I think 6 p.m. 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. So I'm going to live later. I'm going to live later after because we will go to the river because these clothes where we will wash on the river so that we can save the water bill. Ayan. So I'm going to make a video vlog there in the river. So I will post later. And yeah, it's loud. I can't hear you properly. It's loud. I can't hear you properly. Okay, okay. So I will continue my work here. So later, after this wash in the river, so I will make another live. So join me later to my live. So this live is very quick only, very quick because I'm going to take a breakfast and then after we will go to the river. So thank you. God bless and take care of yourself and your family. Okay, thank you so much.